Welcome back again, everyone. We'll solve now 2 mark questions. Okay, so it will be mainly based on these two types, whether they will give find the roots or they will give you find the nature of roots. Okay, this nature of roots can also be written as discriminant. Okay, like based on this question only, they may ask you for 2 marks. Okay, so we'll solve two problems from each, then we'll move to the word problem. Okay, is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay then. So here is the first question. Find the roots of the equation x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So can you try the answer? Can you guys
Yes,
try
sir.
and just tell me the answer how much you are getting? This I have solved in last class as well. First you have to write the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then compare the values and write the values of a, b and c. What is the value of a here?
Sir, real and distinct.
Yeah,
Root.
a value I am asking. They are not asking you nature
One,
of
sir.
roots. They are not asking you nature of roots. They are asking roots. Find the roots, or they will tell you solve the equation. It means you have to find the value of x. You will get two values of x if the
Yes,
variable is
sir.
in x form. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, what is a here? 1. What
One.
about b?
-7.
Minus 7. C is
12.
exactly. So you have to multiply a and c first. Okay. So a and c is 12. Now I write like this. Most of the teachers solve it like this. They will uh, write like this. Even that is fine. Okay. Means the multiplication of a and c should be written here, and b value. What is b here? Minus 7. It should be written here. Got it? Any doubt? And now you need two values such that when we multiply we should get this 12, and on adding or subtraction we should get minus 7. So which are the two values? Which two values can you
+1
take?
and +4, sir. Sorry, -3 and -4.
Minus 4 and minus 3. 4 3 are 12, correct? And
Yes,
minus 4
sir.
and minus 3 is minus 7. Yeah. So now replace this equation with the new terms. So we are splitting this middle term. Therefore, this method is also known as splitting the middle term, or it is also known as factorization. Okay. So we will be writing here x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals to 0. Now group these two. So here x is common, you will get x minus 4. Again here 3 is common, you will get x minus 4 equals to 0. Now x minus 4 is common in this whole equation, so I will take it out. So the remainder here is x, and here it is minus 3, which is equals to 0. Now substitute both this equation to 0. Okay, you will get the value of x. X over here is 4 and here it is 3. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Everyone, are you getting? Okay, fine. Okay, so can you just see question number 2? Can anyone tell me the answer quickly? Instead of telling the answer, just tell me how are you going to replace the middle term? You tell me only those two values. I'll assume that you have understood. So what is
Sir,
A
2
here?
in 1.
What is A, B
-1
and
plus
C?
A is 1.
A is 1, B,
-3
C
+2.
plus 2. Good. So A and C will be 2 and B will be minus 3. So which will be the two terms which will replace this minus 3x?
2
Can you
and
tell
1,
me?
sir.
2 and 1.
2 and 1.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is plus or minus, that is very important.
Minus.
Both plus.
Minus, sir.
2 ones are 2. Both should be minus, right? It should be negative.
Yes, sir.
Only then you will get this. So minus 3x can be replaced with minus 2x minus 1x. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I'll not solve this problem. If you know till here, you can solve it, right? Answer
Yeah, sir.
will be, I'm telling you the answer directly. Answer will be 2 and 1. Okay. You can try them later. Are you getting
Okay,
it?
sir.
I'm
Yes,
going
sir.
little faster because our target is word problems. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is one type of question. The other type of question is this one. Question number 10, 11 here. So I hope you can see them. Can you see question number 11?
Yes, sir.
What is it? What have they asked?
Discriminant and nature of roots.
Yes, find the discriminant and also write its nature of root. So if they give you question like this, find the discriminant and nature of roots. Which formula are you going to use?
B square minus 4AC.
D is equal to, you have to tell both LHS and RHS. First write the equation. What is equation? X square. Everyone try by yourself as
Plus 4x
also. Okay. I am writing here. You try to
plus
solve
5
it first. Then you can match the answer. Okay. So x square plus
plus
4x. Yes, mute yourself, everyone.
plus 5
Unless it is important, please mute. So A is 1, B is 4, and C is 5.
There's some disturbance is coming.
Yes, please mute everyone. Mute yourself. Yeah. So here are the values of A, B, and C. To find discriminant or nature of roots, you have to use this formula. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Just substitute. You have to take care of the sign, whether they are positive or negative. So it is 4 square minus 4 into A. A is 1, C is 5. If you are, if you can hear me, if I'm audible, please give a thumbs up. If I'm audible, okay, fine. So here it's 16 minus 4 into 5 is 20. So you will get minus 4. The value of D is minus 4. So if you solve till here, you are going to get 1 marks. Now for the other mark is for writing its nature of roots. So what will be the nature of roots? The nature of roots, as we know, if D is less than 0, we have no real roots. No real roots. Any doubt? Have you all understood? Please give a thumbs up if yes. If no, raise your hand. Okay, fine. So I hope everyone have understood this. Yes. What is your doubt? I'll just allow to speak. Okay, what is your doubt? Those who have raised their hand. Yes, you can unmute and speak. Who has the doubt? No one? Okay, then we'll move to the next question directly. Again, look at the question number 13. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the question? Question number 13. Is it visible? Let me remove this. Yeah, is it visible to you all? The question number 13.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What does this question says? Yes. Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question says, if the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 equals to 0 has two equal and real roots, then find the equation b is less than 1. Means b should be less than 1. So they have given a equation. It is x square plus bx plus 9. Okay. You need to write the value of b. Okay, and it should be less than 1. So how are you going to find this? Yes, Mr. APA14, what is your doubt? Am I not audible?
You are,
Yes,
sir.
audible, right? Okay. So, based on this question, which formula are you going to use? Can anyone tell me that?
D equals to B square minus 4AC.
Okay, if I use that formula, after that, why are we going to use this formula? Yes, anyone?
X
This
square
form.
minus m plus n into x plus m.
Okay, what is that?
Formula to find equation from the roots.
No, not that. See, read the question properly. If the quadratic equation, this equation has two equal real roots, so whenever they give this data, it means d is 0. The value of d is how much?
Less than 1. Sorry, less
Equal
than
roots.
0, sir.
D is equal to 0. It's given. Two equal and real roots. Two roots are real and equal. You have learned this, right? So d is 0. It means d is 0. This data is given. So when this data is given, you have to use this formula only. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So first write a here. A is 1, b is b itself, and c is 9. Now substitute in this formula. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is how much? 0. Substitute that. 0 is equal to b is b only, 4 into a is 1, c is 9. So if you solve, you'll get 9 fours how much? 36, which is equal to 0. So b square is equal to 36. So b, if you solve, it becomes root 36 plus or minus. Why I am putting plus or minus? Because the degree is 2. So whenever the degree goes to RHS, it's become plus or minus 36. The reason is because degree 2 have two values of two values for it. Okay, two roots. Array, what happened? Where is it? Here. So if you solve, you'll get b as plus or minus 6. It means b can be plus 6 or b can be minus 6. So which value are you going to take for this question? Either it is plus 6 or minus 6. We have two values of b. Which value are you going to take?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why not plus 6? Why can't it be plus 6? See, in the
Because
data it
sir, because it is mentioned in the question that the value of b should be lesser than 1.
exactly very good, because it's given in the question itself. They have asked to find the equation, and also in bracket they have given here. You can see b is less than 1. So don't go with the greater value. We should take b as minus 6. So the equation becomes what? They are asking you to write the equation. It was x square plus bx plus 9 equals to 0. Now after solving we have got b as minus 6. So this will be x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. Understood? This is the required equation. Any doubt? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now let us move directly to 3 to 4 mark question.